Good afternoon, everyone. It's Kellen McGinnis, Nebraskan in Kayakoy, Turkey today. Wanted to give you a tour of the villa that we just checked into at the Kassandra Heritage Boutique Villa Resort. So out here is your parking area if you bring a car. We have this lovely flowering vine all over our entrance, and these two ancient doors that are hand carved are how we enter our villa. So you come in, we have this lovely, lovely garden. There's a pool, a jacuzzi, and just beautiful foliage all over. Coming down our little rock path, we have this bottle brush plant. The bees love these. We have a nice little partially covered dining area outdoors. And you come in, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, salvaged Greek stone house. So the Greeks used to control this part of Turkey a long time ago. This was the style of home they built during that time. Here, I'm going to start us off, and we have the living and kitchen area. There is AC in here. It's a very nice day today, so we just chose to open the windows. You can see you do have a glass ceiling, stone walls, lovely hand-cut ceramic tile floors, probably terracotta, sliding windows above the sink. You have a stove and an oven, giant sink, a dishwasher, and a very generously sized fridge for an accommodation like this. Heading back out to the garden, we have our first bedroom that is right off here. I do think I would call this the primary bedroom. So you come in, these floors are absolutely gorgeous. Kind of a inlaid design. Lovely beams. This room is equipped with a king-size bed. A fireplace. And its own attached bathroom, which has lovely green tile, nice rainfall shower head, and the beam detailing in here as well. This room has a window out to kind of the kitchen area. Heading up these stairs here, we have a nice lounge. Stairs on either side. And then we have bedroom number 2. That's this cute awning detail. Stone walls, stone chimney, stunning mountain views out through our palms. Nice cactus there, rose bush. And this bedroom is a little bit smaller. I would say this is a queen, but lovely beam detailing. Queen size bed and its own attached ensuite with another rainfall shower and a window with views out to your pool deck. Out here around our pool, we just have this really great lush vegetation. Looks like there are landscape lights that light up the trees in the evening. Some old stone and clay urns here. And a very large pool with a nice view out to the surrounding mountains. And a sun shelf. Right here is our outdoor shower that is nestled among the grapevine. And it wouldn't be a Turkish villa if it did not have a jacuzzi tub outside to enjoy on the cooler evenings. Over here you can see George is getting some work done on the suspended daybed that is right next to the pool. What a great spot to relax. And we have a couple rocking chairs over here. So that is the tour of Villa Gardenia at the Kassandra Heritage Resort. There are 7 villas here. They all have pools. This, I believe, is the largest one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.